This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product. The head of the gingerbread man. If you are not familiar with the basic stitches, you can watch the basic tutorial videos and practice the basic stitches with the practice yarn in the kit. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Take out the crochet hook. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring. In round 1, work 1 chain stitch, 6 single crochets at 1 slip stitch. Yarn hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch serves as a beginning to raise a height. It is not counted into number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn hook and pull up loop. Through the ring, there are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first single crochet through both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. There are 2 ways stand for 2 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn hook, pull through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. There are 3 V shapes stand for 3 single crochets. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. There are 6 ways on the side. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Six single crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Remove the marker. Insert hook into this marking stitch. Through both loops of the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop through the second loop. That's 1 slip stitch. Slip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat 1 more time. Okay, that's a slip stitch. Make sure to tighten up when you work the slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If we pull the yarn too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. Round 1 is done. In round 2, work 1 chain stitch, 6 increases, and 1 slip stitch. Yarn hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. The chain stitch serves as a beginning to raise the height. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. We need to mark the first stitch of each round. Work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work one more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are finished. Finally, work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn one hook and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop through the return loop on the hook. That's one slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a collection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done.